Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the OB error on your 2025 Whirlpool washer, you're in the right place. This frustrating code usually pops up when your machine senses an unbalanced load, which can halt your laundry routine and leave you scratching your head. Don't worry. I'm here to break it down step by step so you can get things spinning smoothly again. First off, let's talk about what the OB error means. In Whirlpool washers, OB stands for off balance, indicating that the drum isn't rotating evenly. This could be caused by a lopsided load of clothes, an overloaded drum, or even issues with the washer's leveling or internal components. It's a safety feature to prevent damage or accidents, but it's easy to fix in most cases. To start troubleshooting, pause the cycle if it's running and open the door. Check your load. Are the clothes bunched up on one side? If so, redistribute them evenly around the drum. Make sure you're not overloading the washer. Stick to the recommended capacity for your model. Next, ensure the washer is level on the floor. Grab a bubble level or use a smartphone app to check. If it's uneven, adjust the leveling feet by turning them clockwise or counterclockwise until it's stable. Once that's done, close the door and try restarting the cycle. If the error persists, run a quick test cycle with no load to see if the issue is with the machine itself. Sometimes, a simple reset can do the trick. Just unplug the washer for a few minutes and plug it back in. If you've tried these steps and the OB error keeps showing up, it might be time to look into more serious problems, like worn-out suspension rods or a faulty sensor. In that case, consider calling a professional technician to avoid any risks. Remember, always prioritize safety. Never force the door open or tamper with electrical parts if you're unsure. There you have it. With these tips, you should be able to resolve the OB error on your 2025 Whirlpool washer and get back to your chores. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy home repair guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.